all for joining today's tutorial on creating your own custom GPT using OpenAI's ChatGPT. My name is Dimitra. I'm a software engineer at Intel, and I hold a master's of business analytics and data science from USC. And I'm thrilled to be here with you as we explore the exciting possibilities of custom GPTs. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me give you a brief overview of what custom GPTs are. So in November 2023, ChatGPT rolled out a new exciting option called GPTs. With GPTs, you could basically create your own custom ChatGPT. Think of them as highly customizable versions of ChatGPT, tailor for specific domains or tasks. Imagine having a chatbot that can guide you through the rules and strategies of a complex board game, or one that serves as an efficient sales assistant, helping your business close deals more efficiently. This personalized, GPTs open up a world of possibilities, allowing us to create intelligent, task-specific assistants that can significantly enhance productivity and user experience in various fields. Now, there are several compelling reasons to create your own GPTs. One of the most exciting aspects of these custom GPTs is that you don't need any programming experience to create one. The process is user-friendly, allowing you to build a chatbot without having to learn any programming languages or use complex software. The setup process is also incredibly fast. Within just a few minutes, you can have a chatbot up and running, tailored to meet your specific personal or business goals. And you also have the power to train your chatbot with your own data. This means your GPT can learn to address specific needs and preferences, making it a highly personalized tool. And finally, there's potential to monetize your GPT. You can put your customized chatbot in the store and generate revenue from it. And all in all, these advantages make creating GPTs an attractive option for anyone looking to leverage AI technology for personal or professional use. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you can see, I'm now on the ChatGPT website. In order to create and use custom GPTs, you need to have the Plus plan. This is the paid version of ChatGPT. Unfortunately, it's not available using the free version. You can go ahead now and go to Explore GPTs. Here you can see different featured GPTs in the store, trending ones, the ones created by the ChatGPT team, and generally different GPTs for different topics. And you can get ideas of what exists and what not, and maybe get some inspirations on what you can create for yourself or your business. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. As you'll see, the whole process is very conversational. You don't need to have any technical knowledge. It just prompts. So we're just going to go ahead and follow the prompts that ChatGPT gives us. So here's asking us, what would you like to make? Personally, I'm very interested in AI. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to create a GPT that's an AI expert with the latest AI knowledge and information. I'm going to go ahead and input that here. So as you can see, it's recommending a name for us. If it doesn't work for you, you can ask it to generate more names, or you can also go to configure and pick your own name. For me, that works. So then it's going to create a profile picture for our costume GPT. I like it. You can also, again, ask it to generate more. And what specific areas or topics should be emphasized or avoided. I want it to emphasize on latest AI trends. And I want it to avoid giving medical or legal advice. This is just for ethical purposes. I like to put that just in case. ChatGPT already has this configuration. Now, how would we like the AI knowledge guide to interact with users? I personally want it to be casual. So that works for me. Perfect. So as you can see, the AI knowledge guide is ready. Just a few prompts, and we can test in the preview here on the right. And I think we're good. We are all set. We can go ahead now to the configure tab and see that it has already filled out the information here. We can adjust whatever we don't like the name, the description, instructions, the starters. If we don't like one of the starters, you can see them here in the preview. We can delete them or add our own. And currently it's only getting information, as you can see here, capabilities from web browsing and DALL-E. But let's say, what if we want to feed it with our own data and our information? Here's how you can do that. You can go to the upload files. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've downloaded transcripts from YouTube videos that discuss AI trends, like 2024 AI trends and things that are coming, and introducing GPT 4.0. So these are just the transcripts. You can fit it with your own data. It can be in any format like PDF or TXT, whatever works for you. I just uploaded the files. And in the instructions, I'm also going to instruct it to first access my own information. And yeah, I think we're good to go. So let's test it. What are the latest AI trends? As you can see, it is generating it. It's generating a response here, and I can see that it's using the data that I have provided it. Autonomous capabilities. And yeah, as you can see, it's producing a full-on response. You can add more, feed it more knowledge files if you need to, or data. And yeah, it just produced the response for us based on the data that we fed it. We can also ask it, what is GPT 4.0? As you can see, it's taking the information from the file that I gave it, and it's producing a response for us. Now, this is a basic version of a chatbot you can create. Again, you can feed it with your own data and information here and be more creative with what kind of chatbot you want to develop. But there's also another feature called Actions. This is actually very interesting. So it basically lets you use third-party services to retrieve information and take actions. This is where GPTs are really going to shine. They're going to become what we call like the AI agents. And you can go and perform tasks, for example, on the web. And it's just not limited to the web, sorry. You can basically go do things like send emails or Slack messages. And there's many capabilities. We're not going to cover this in today's tutorial because it's a bit more complex and it's going to require more time. But you can find resources online on how to add actions to your GPTs, and let's say create an email assistant that is able to log into your emails, send emails for your like Slack messages. So that's a very cool feature. And basically in just a few minutes, you can see how we were able to create our own costume GPT. Now we can go ahead and click create. You can either put in GPT store or just click anyone with a link to access it, or just have it for private use. I'm just gonna pick anyone with a link right now. I'm selecting save. Saving, and now we can view a GPT. So this is what it looks like. You can see it on the left side here. This is our own costume GPT that we just developed. And Yeah, you can just prompt it with the same prompts that we use in the preview, and it's going to generate responses. And that's about it. It was very, I would say, easy, no coding knowledge required. And feel free to experiment with it, be creative, and maybe develop your own GPTs, put them in the market. And I'm looking forward to using them in the future if you end up developing